Tina, why are you not playing? Like the others? What's wrong?
Because I don't know my ABCs like others. They laughed.
Oh, don't worry, I'll show you the alphabet. We will make it fun. Follow me.
Drum that goes boom, boom, high. E is for elephant, big and kind. F is for fish swimming in a line. G is for goat, just like in me too. H is for hat that belongs to you. F, B, C, come sing with me. Learning letters is fun, you see. Jump up high and spin around. Let's make the letters dance on the ground. A is for elephant, big and kind. F is for fish swimming in a line. G is for goat, just like in me do. H is for hat that belongs to you. F, B, C, come sing with me. Learning letters is fun, you see. Jump up high and spin around. Let's make the letters dance on the ground. I is for insect, crawling low. J is for jump, ready, set, go. K is for kite, flying in the sky. L is for love, and here's why. L is for helping, L is for care. When a friend is stuck, you're always there. M is for monkey, swinging trees. N is for nest, high in the leaves. O is for orange, round and bright. P is for pencil, I used to write. Now we all know. Let's keep learning and watch love grow. Dance with letters, don't be shy. Together we can reach the sky. Now we know our letters right. Learn is for rain, a splishy splash storm. S is for sun, shining so bright. T is for tree with leaves so light. U is for umbrella on rainy days. V is for van driving many ways. W is for water, fresh and clear. X is for xylophone, music to hear. Y is for yarn, cozy and red. Z is for zebra with stripes on its head. We've sung all letters A to Z. Now clap your hands and dance with me. You sing with me. Learning letters is the key. With Tamu Tima and all our crew, there's nothing we can't learn or do.
Thanks, Tamu. Now I know my alphabet.
You're welcome.